Hello aspirants, welcome to our rapid revision series for UGC NET English. Today we are going to revise one of the most important topics for UGC NET, that is the romantic age. And yes, we will complete it in just 15 minutes. In this video we'll cover the features of romanticism, major romantic poets, important works, literary terms, and important UGC NET points. So keep your notebooks ready and let's begin. First of all, we'll understand what is the Romantic Age. The time period was 1798 to 1837. The Romantic Age officially began with lyrical ballads in 1798 by William Wordsworth, St. Coleridge. रोमांटिक एज इमेजिनेशन, इमोशंस और नेचर का एज था. ये एज रीजन और लॉजिक के बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट एक रिएक्शन था, एक वी कैन से एक रेवोल्यूशन था. नाउ व्हाई इज इट कॉल्ड द रोमांटिक एज? द रोमांटिक राइटर्स फोकस्ड ऑन इमेजिनेशन, इमोशन, ब्यूटी, नेचर, इंडिविजुअल फ्रीडम इंस्टेड ऑफ लॉजिक, रीजंस, रूल्स. रोमांटिक पोएट्स दिल और इमेजिनेशन को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे. नाउ विल अंडरस्टैंड द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ रोमांटिसिज्म. फर्स्ट इज लव फॉर नेचर. नेचर बिकेम टीचर, गाइड, हीलर. वर्ड्सवर्थ बिलीव्ड नेचर डेवलप्स ह्यूमन मोरालिटी. नेचर को स्पिरिचुअल पावर माना गया. द सेकेंड फीचर ऑफ रोमांटिसिज्म इज इमेजिनेशन. Romantic poets considered imagination creative power of the mind. Coleridge ने कहा, imagination creates new idea. Imagination poetry की soul है. So I hope this point is clear to everyone. The third feature was subjectivity. Focus shifted to personal feelings, emotions, experiences. Poets अपने emotions और inner feelings express करते थे. Now the fourth feature was supernaturalism, especially in Coleridge's poetry, the rhyme of the ancient mariner, जिसमें हमने देखा ghost भी है, mystery भी है, magic भी है. So this was the feature of romanticism. Now fifth feature was revolt against classicism. Romantics rejected strict rules, artificiality, order. They supported freedom, स्पॉन्टेनिटी. रूल्स के अगेंस्ट फ्रीडम और क्रिएटिविटी को इम्पोर्टेंस दी गई. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट रोमांटिक पोएट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टॉक अबाउट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोमांटिक पोएट्स. ही वॉज विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, known as poet of nature. His important works were Tintin Abbey, The Prelude, and Lucy poems. Important ideas. नेचर, उनके जो important ideas थे वो क्या थे? Nature is a teacher. Poetry is spontaneous flow of powerful feelings. Poetry emotions का natural expression है. I hope in short हमने विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में we understood. The next poet we'll talk about is St. Coleridge, who is known as supernatural elements, known for supernatural elements. His important works are Kubla Khan, The Rime of Ancient Mariner, and in his poetry, the concept of fancy and imagination is there, or he always used fancy and imagination. Important work was Biographia Literaria. Coleridge imagination को creative power मानते थे. I hope S.D. Coleridge के बारे में जो भी हमने पढ़ा, you have understood all. Next, we will talk about P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley also was one of the famous romantic poets, known as revolutionary poet. Important works were Ode to the West Wind, Adonis, famous line, If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Shelley, hope और revolution के poet थे. Next we have John Keats. And John Keats He was or he is known as poet of beauty. His important works are Ode to Nightingale, Ode to a Grecian Urn, and उनकी पोइट्री में जो कॉन्सेप्ट होता था that is, that was or that is the negative capability. It means comfort with uncertainty and mystery. कि पोएट पीसफुली अनसर्टेनिटी और मिस्ट्री को भी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. ब्यूटी इज ट्रुथ, ट्रुथ इज ब्यूटी. कीट्स ब्यूटी को अल्टीमेट ट्रुथ मानते थे. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट जॉन कीट्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव लॉर्ड बायरन, who was known as Byronic hero or is known as Byronic hero. His important works are Don Juan, Childe Harold Pilgrimage. Byronic hero features rebellious, passionate, mysterious. Byronic hero society के rules को challenge करता है. So this was the main feature of Lord Byron's poetry, that Byronic heroes always challenges the society's rule. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have discussed all the important poets. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have discussed about the romantic poets. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Next we have first generation versus second generation. First generation romantics were Wordsworth, Coleridge. They focused on nature, common life. And second generation romantics are Shelley, Keats, Byron, and they focused on rebellion, beauty, imagination. Now we will discuss about some important terms for UGC NET. The first is negative capability, given by Keats, ability to remain in uncertainty. The second important term is fancy versus imagination, which was given by Coleridge. Fancy means mechanical, imagination means creative. The next term that we are going to learn is the spontaneous overflow, that was given by Wordsworth. Poetry comes from deep emotions. So I hope the important terms of romantic age is clear to everyone, and this is very important for UGC NET. Next we will learn about the important works to remember. We will talk about the author and their work. First is Wordsworth. The important work is the Prelude. Second we have Coleridge. The important work of Coleridge is Kubla Khan. Next we have Shelley, P.B. Shelley. The important work of P.B. Shelley is Ode to the West Wind. Next we have Keats, and the important work of Keats is Ode on a Gracious Urn. Now next, last but not the least, we have Byron, and the important work of Byron is Don Juan. I hope the important work is clear to everyone. Next, we will learn or we will understand about some of the important UGC NET questions that can come from romantic age. The first question is, who wrote Biographia Literaria? The answer is Coleridge. Next question, who proposed negative capability? The correct answer is Keats. Who is called the poet of nature? And we all know that poet of nature is Wordsworth. Next question, who created the Byronic hero? And we have learned this thing. Byronic hero was created by Byron. Which work began the romantic age? And we know it is lyrical ballads. Now we'll just do a quick revision trick. We will do a quick revision. Just remember, nature is related to Wordsworth, supernatural is related to Coleridge, revolution is related to Shelley, beauty is related to Keats, and rebellion is related to Byron. ये ट्रिक्स पोएट्स को क्विकली रिवाइज करने में हेल्प करेगी। तो एक माइंड मेकअप कर लो और ये जो क्विक रिवीजन ट्रिक है इसको अपने कहीं नोट डाउन कर लो, सो दैट व्हेन यू हैव टू डू क्विक रिवीजन तो आप इसे देखेंगे तो इजीली आपको याद रहेगा। So dear aspirants, this was your rapid revision of the Romantic Age in just 15 minutes. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe for more UGC NET revision, English revision, where you will get literary theory, British literature, MCQ series, PYQ series, and comment below which topic should be the next. See you in the next rapid revision video. Thank you.